This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the PC, plug the Cronus Zen into USB and launch Zen Studio. Once done, update firmware and confirm the device shows as connected. This prevents connection failures later. Make sure your Xbox controller is charged and decide whether you'll use USB or the Xbox wireless dongle for pairing. Both work, but wireless needs the dongle. Also, disable Bluetooth on the PC to avoid interference, and keep Ps5 nearby for the next step. Now configure Zen Studio. Choose or create a profile that maps Xbox inputs to PlayStation layout. You'll drag a mapping or use a community script, then test button responses in the Studio window so inputs read correctly. Once mappings are correct, save to a profile slot on the device and set the device mode to console output. This ensures the Zen will present the mapped inputs to the Ps5 rather than raw Xbox signals when you connect it to the console. Plug the Cronus Zen into the Ps5 USB port and attach your Xbox controller, wired or via the dongle. You should see the Ps5 accept the controller input. Navigate menus to confirm buttons and triggers map as expected. If a game blocks non-dual sense devices, try using a USB pass-through or enable any compatibility setting in Zen Studio. Finally, keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. If inputs are erratic, reflash firmware. Try a different USB cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.